Yes, hello. My name is Lo Chitembo. I'm a student at the University of Texas at Tyler. I'm a senior majoring in mechanical engineering. So today, in my video, I'm gonna talk about self-driving cars, and which is like the subject I chose for one of my projects. And this is the video for my abstract, like the first video for my abstract. So imagine like living in a world where you can get in your car without being worried or about driving safely along drunk and teenagers. Yes, according to one government study, like over 1 million of people each year die from car accidents. Why? Because most of the reason why, or most of the reason why accident happens, it's because of drivers' errors. Because sometimes people use their cars, people use their phones to get in touch while driving. Because sometimes some people are drunk while driving. There are so many reasons why like accident happen. But uh, what if I could tell you like that huge amount of accident can be reduced? Yes, the answer is yes. And how and why? The answer is self-driving car. Today we all heard about self-driving car, but in this video or in this abstract, I'm gonna give you some details about, like a brief details about self-driving cars, and in my next videos, I will go with more. I will go deep. I will talk about it deeply. So, what is a self-driving car? A self-driving car can be defined as self-driving car can be defined as a car or truck in which human drivers are never required to take control to safely operate the vehicle, which means we don't need the physical presence of a driver for the vehicle to move from one point to another one. It can also be defined as a driverless car, which means without any drivers. Why? Because in this car we can there's like a combination of sensor and software to control, navigate and drive the vehicle. And it is I mean uh, it was made possible by companies like uh, Google, General Motors, Tesla, Volkswagen and Volvo, because those are the companies those are the companies testing testing and developing those self-driving cars. So the purpose of my the purpose of my project today is to talk about 4 points. The first one is the advantages and disadvantages of self-driving cars. So in my next slide or next videos, I will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of cars, self-driving cars. After that, I will talk about the design and the functioning of these cars, like how it was designed, how they were designed, and how they function, like how they were made. After that, I will talk about the process to to increase, because we know they went from non-automated to semi and then to final or like full option automation, which means we have different categories of those self-driving cars. And my last point, we we discuss the cost and how affordable those cars would be. Like I will give you more details about the price, like how much money like people would have to pay for it to get the car, like if it is gonna be way expensive or affordable. So like I was saying, this is my video. This is the video for my abstract to talk about self-driving cars. So today I briefly talk about self-driving cars, but in my next videos or slide, I will go more. I will go deeply about the subject. So, like I was saying, this is a small video of 5 minutes just to introduce my subject. which is self-driving car. So thank you very much for your time, and see you next time for our videos. Thank you.